Hi Dress-O Cuties, Winnie here. It's pun art time, and today we're going to draw a superhero. So let's get started. To draw this very heroic bowl of soup, let's first start by drawing a big curve across. So this is going to be the top of our bowl. And I'm going to start about right here and just bring a curve all the way across. So as I draw this curve, I'm still imagining it as if I'm going to be drawing a oval. So it's kind of shallow, about like something like this. Then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to finish our oval. So I'm going to round this corner off right here, and just draw the top part. So kind of following that, the bottom, and bring it across and in. So play around with your ovals. Maybe sometimes it's easier for you to draw the top and then bring it around, or draw the bottom. Whichever is easiest for you. We want to draw this big oval. Now that we have that in, let's go ahead and we're going to bring down the sides of our bowl. So we're going to go straight down this very big bowl of soup. So same thing here. Okay, so then from there, let's bring this down. I'm just going to draw this side first. Nice big round bowl of soup. About right here. I'm going to bring it down. And I'm just going to go back and forth and take a look. So about right here, I'm going to round it off and connect. There, so we have our basic bowl in. Then from there, let's bring this to life. So I'm gonna come, let's say about right here. You know what, let's start with the cape first. So just that we make sure we have the cape in, because we want it kind of centered. So I'll find my center about right here, and the center of our bowl, so about right here. And then we're going to draw little two little leaves where the cape ties together. Then from there, I'm going to go ahead and come about right here and draw a curve coming towards that, and same thing here. So what I should have done, now that I think about it, make it a little bit easier. Sorry about that. You should have just drawn this curve first, right in the center, dividing the bowl in half. Sorry about that. And then stick these two ties in there, the ends. Then from there, let's go ahead and we're thickening this up. And so about right here, I'm going to come in, and same thing here. There. Okay, so then from there, now we have that, we can put in the eyes. So about in this space right here, I'm going to go ahead. So this is kind of determine how big my eyes are. So about right here, draw in a circle, come across, say about right here on the other side, and draw another circle for some draw so cute eyes. Let's go ahead and make them draw so cute eyes. So two small circles inside for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. There, and lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There, there's my eyes in. Let's come to the top, about right here, and draw a curve and a curve. And then let's bring in sweet smile. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve that's going slightly upwards and cap it off. There. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's go ahead and let's see here. Let's draw the soup. So we're going to come about right here, and we're just basically drawing a curve all the way across. But as we draw this curve, we're going to wobble a little bit just to make it look like there's soup in there. So just slight wobble, and then bring it in. There. And then inside, we just put in some chunks with some chunky soup. So just draw some organic shapes. It's up to you how much you want to put in here, how many details, but something like this. And I'll make one a little bit heart-shaped, of course. And maybe one more here. There, something like that. And then from there, let's go ahead and put in some legs then. So about right here, about on this side, nice and wide, we're going to have our heroic stance. So about right here on the other side, I'm going to thicken it up. And now that we have that, and let's go ahead and draw some feet. So we're just going to pop out a curve and thicken it up. So same thing here. There. And then for the arms, about right here, come in a little bit. And here we're going to curve in and then a hand and thicken that up too. So same thing on this side. Just come in, angle in, and a little hand. There. And then to make it even more heroic, of course, we have to draw the cape, right? So let's come about right here where this curve ends. And we're just going to curve it out. And same thing here. Curve it out. And then about right there, let's go ahead and connect it. So we're just going to wobble a little bit. As we come down here, I'll just make a simple curve going across. And same thing here. And connect. There. So silly, but hopefully so cute, right? When I saw this pun art that someone drew, it totally inspired me to draw my own. So hopefully you love my version just as much. And then from there, now that we have the, oh, I almost forgot. I knew I was missing something. Let's draw the soup logo, the super logo. So right about here, I'm going to go and draw a straight line. So I'm mimicking the Superman logo here. Superman logo. And so let's draw a straight line across. And then angle. And then we're going to connect it at the bottom towards the center. And up. There. And then we're going to put a big S in here. So let's see about here. I'm just going to curve in this S for our superhero logo for this cute pun art with this bowl of soup. I really hope this drawing here today brings a smile to your day and inspires you to have a big bowl of superhero soup. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.